Hello friends, welcome to the lecture Financial Secrets. Okay, today we will see trading psychology and most important pages from Wikipedia. Wikipedia is very important. Okay, whatever you are studying, whichever you are taking any knowledge, you just refer Wikipedia and also other websites also. Okay, in Financial Secrets I'm coming with trading psychology from Wikipedia. Trading psychology is the study of human mindset and how it functions in terms of identity, beliefs and behaviors while actively trading regulated and unregulated assets. Okay, this area of psychology can reveal core human inclination because trading requires a different mindset for success than our more primitive brain has developed, and a mindset that is successful in most other endeavors. This area of study clarifies the mental and emotional aspects that will dictate a trader's decision and is an important factor in determining his success or failure in the trading process. Okay. Certain emotions like greed, fear, and regret play important roles in trading process. Greed is defined as excessive desire to accumulate more wealth. It can be both beneficial or destructive depending on how a trader utilizes it in different situations. It has positive results in the bull market. The longer a trader stays on the game, greater wealth he can gather. However, it is destructive when suddenly a bear market strikes him. Fear, on the other hand, is the exact opposite to greed. It is the one that holds back a trader in taking the steps in the trading process. And like greed, it can be both destructive and useful depending on the situation of the market. Regret is another emotion a trader must take great careful consideration. Therefore, there are many traders who jump into the trading process because of regret and finally finding themselves losing more money in the process. A sound psychology in trading is a must if one wishes to become a successful trader. Okay, मित्रांनो, just think about it. A sound psychology is in trading is a must if one wishes to become a successful trader. If you want to become crorepati, your psychology should be sound, perfect, clear psychology ठेवा. म्हणजे काय बनायचं? कॉम्प्युटर. So these are the references from Wikipedia, and hope you understood this financial secret. Okay, we will meet next.